आज का ज्ञान डीडीएलजे की तरफ से सीए फाइनल के लिए इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग एज वेल एज इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट. The topic is nothing but the concept is of economic value added, very popularly known as EVA, EVA. Sir, what is EVA? यहाँ पर देखो, it is nothing but an economic benefit created. Sir, what do you mean by economic benefit created? That is nothing but it is a value created in excess of, I repeat, it is a value created in excess of the returns required by the company's investors. I repeat, it is a value created in excess of the required returns of the company's investors. फ्रेंड्स, इसका बेसिक एक कॉन्सेप्ट आप याद रखो. जैसे आपने गुडविल किया था, गुडविल के अंदर सुपर प्रॉफिट क्या था? इट वॉज नथिंग बट फ्यूचर मेंटेनेबल प्रॉफिट माइनस एक्सपेक्टेड प्रॉफिट, दैट वॉज सुपर प्रॉफिट. आपने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अकाउंट्स किए आईपीसीसी के अंदर, उसके अंदर सरप्लस एक सीखा था आपने. What it was? It was clear profits minus reasonable returns. मतलब surplus was what? Something extra. Super profit was what? Something extra. So EVA is also something extra. What is extra over what? It is the net operating profit after tax. From there you will minus the cost of capital, and cost of capital will be cost of equity, cost of preference, cost of debt. That's all for DDLJ for today.